more come to Arsenal 5 games. As they will give us now, Arsenal 5 games, remaining 5 games. Buchi, critically, more analyzed based on tactical savviness we will get. West Ham United at their next game, Leeds United, Newcastle and Everton. These are games week 35, 36, 37 and 38. Buchi, how many points Arsenal you get here?
Oh boy. Oh boy.
You the thinker.
Because it's a very tough game. See, I think the game where they go play against Leeds, Arsenal go win that game. I think 2 games where Arsenal will win. Yes. That West Ham game, if Arsenal win that West Ham game, win the Leeds game, 9 points. Tottenham Hotspur game, they go lose. They go lose that game. Newcastle away. The good thing about Newcastle don't they safe. So Arsenal go win. They possible so Arsenal go still win. But that Everton game, they fear them because this relegation battle, if it go down to the wire, Everton and Burnley. And now, team where they fight for their life.
But Arsenal go day home for Everton.
Now Arsenal some kind of not be home, then they lose back to back.
No, but Arsenal never lose for home this season.
Who said? They don't like Manchester City. They don't like big boys.
Manchester
City, they lose against the big boys.
Big boys, exactly.
They lose against Brighton too. So they lose.
True,
they get good home record, but they lose some kind games. So anything if it happens. So I know may go down to that final day because Arsenal know they good with pressure. If pressure don't come Arsenal here, like he won the last 3 games, Arsenal they fall. But if the pressure today there, this is not Arsenal.
So out of 15 points for Arsenal, how many points they figure?
I believe Arsenal figure 9 points.
9 points.
Yes.
And Sexy Joe, how many points Arsenal go figure?
9 points.
9 points
I
too.
Yesterday. Yes.
Okay, 9 points. Okay, Buchi, Sexy Joe, make I come to you and make you start with Spurs because them say follow the top 4 battle. Then get Leicester City, then get Liverpool, then get outstanding with Arsenal, then get Burnley, then get Norwich. 2 points now Arsenal take the gap them now. For now. With these points, you say 9 points Arsenal will get from their 5 games. How many points Tottenham will get from these their 5 games?
Possible 3 or 6. Give and take. 3 or 6.
So that the 2 points goes
because Liverpool they wait for them. And their record against Leicester City get as it be. Norwich City, yes, maybe not from Norwich hand or Burnley hand and go see the 3 points collect. Arsenal go either draw Tottenham Hotspur or they go beat them.
So 6 points for them.
See, possible 6 points.
This game, I believe Tottenham fit draw this game. Lose this one.
So they talk Leicester City.
Then go draw Leicester City. Then go lose Liverpool. Then go win Arsenal.
Then go lose Arsenal.
Then go win. No worry. I mean they tell you. Then go win Arsenal.
This lie.
Burnley. That game to relegation to then they home. Burnley that match na draw. Then go beat Norwich. So I think they figure like
more or less Arsenal go see they gap them on top of the table.
Yes, they'll give them
with at least 3 points.
7 points.
Okay.
I don't know why people they count this Man United.
Okay. But we gas because if all of now if Arsenal Mumu and Tottenham Mumu,
they go Mumu too. They be the king of Mumu for this team. They go Mumu too.
But seriously, Buchi, Manchester United.
That Brentford make Man United no go relax so because Brentford then go
they'll play Chelsea. Yeah, they'll play Chelsea on Thursday.
And they go play Brentford. I will know what Brentford don't do some big sides this season.
But Sexy Joe, the truth of the matter be say, okay, let's say they win Brentford. They win Crystal Palace. That's 6 points. Then they use how many points? Take the behind of Arsenal. They use I think 6 points. 6 points. Now they go need Arsenal to drop like 2 of their games.
No, they drop anything. So they should work on themselves.
Out of the 5 games, you say Arsenal go pick 9. No, you say Arsenal go pick 9.
Yes.
You agree with Arsenal. So they go drop 2 games. So they need Arsenal to drop 2 games.
Then go drop.
They go
now.
drop 4 games.
What's the guarantee?
If Arsenal drop tomorrow, you go drop 4. I never see if more. You don't see man you play.
Yes, I see them against Arsenal.
Very confused side.
See, no, but Buchi, is it that? Say they know they play well, or the players know they just won't play.
You don't
well.
see their coach talk. See they're planning with the flow in tactics. What did they expect? So I don't think this man you. Except they see.
They play to instruction.
They play to instruction. Except they see.
Everybody they play your own.
Late resurgence, but they don't give me. I don't care what they play. Check their case they don't play when they lose up and down.
But one thing we go also.
They beat Chelsea. Like this match, Man U.
But also, what we go also bear in mind, they say one season don't they end like this. Some teams like Crystal Palace, Brighton,
But so say more knockout Manchester United for top 4 is
nothing for them.
Nothing for them.
Nothing
for them. For
Europa
League.
Conference League.
Let's go top them.
That
serious.
is when if West Ham don't come.
Is it not when they go play when they go play Conference League? Then their last match they go lose out.
When they lose them, they need to
They go lose out so that they go just finish for ninth.
rebuild like Arsenal, they need to rebuild.